Boost your score. Common adverb-adjective collocations for TOEFL and IELTS. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of collocations, specifically focusing on common adverb-adjective pairings. These collocations can truly elevate your spoken and written English in both the TOEFL and IELTS exams. Let's get started. An adverb-adjective collocation refers to the pairing of an adverb with an adjective in a way that is commonly accepted and sounds natural to native speakers. For instance, we say, highly recommended, but not strongly recommended. Recognizing and using these pairings correctly can give your sentences a more fluent and native feel. For both TOEFL and IELTS, your ability to use language naturally is assessed. Using adverb-adjective collocations correctly not only proves that you understand the vocabulary, but also that you know how these words fit together in real-world usage. This can be particularly useful in the speaking and writing sections. Let's delve into some commonly used collocations. 1. Highly controversial. 2. Deeply concerned. 3. Fully aware. 4. Strictly prohibited. 5. Wholly unacceptable. 6. Utterly amazed. 7. Richly deserved. 8. Bitterly disappointed. 9. Vastly different. 10. Profoundly affected. Practice using these in sentences, and you'll soon find that they come to you naturally. Now, let's try some exercises to see how well you've grasped these collocations. 1. The results of the experiment were different from what we expected. Answer: vastly. 2. The movie was amazing that I watched it twice in a row. Answer: utterly. 3. Entering the restricted zone is prohibited. Answer: strictly. 4. I'm concerned about the environment. Answer: deeply. That's it for today. Remember, language is all about patterns. The more you practice and immerse yourself in these collocations, the more natural they'll sound and feel. We hope this video has been beneficial. Keep practicing, and best of luck on your TOEFL and IELTS exams.